Okay, I was for sure not expecting this. This is crazy. It has so many accessories. So this electric spin screwdriver that this brand sent to me for this video is actually really cool. Just to have it in your household, you know, just for cleaning purposes, or just like if you need to polish, if you need to scrub, if you need to clean, if you need to sand, if you need to brush your kitchen sink, your shower, the corners of your walls, or things like that. You can do it all with this one. Even you can clean your car if you also want, just like the rims, the tires, and things like that. You can do it with this one, which, by the way, it has a 2-in-1. It is handheld, as you can see over here, so you can just grab this one with the hand. Mind your hand always, just this section over here. It is fully rechargeable, so it comes with a USB-C port right here. It is also waterproof, so you can use it in your sink under the water, or if you are cleaning your pool, if you're cleaning your shower, you can use water as well. And then this one right here, you can see that with this changer, it has multiple angles, so I think that's actually really good in case that you want to do those corners, or you want to do something that is in an angle up here at top, or you want to kind of like do this on the kitchen thing. The other thing I like is that this one, when you're gonna put it right here, it comes with a lock, so it will lock and will stay in place, and you can just do it right here with this handle, or you can do it with this handle as well. So just like here, check it out, it's not taking any actual movement. And then what you're gonna do is, I don't know, let's actually, so this one is going to be kind of like for the shower, for example. Let's actually do this one and use it on our kitchen things right here. But also you have this one for the corners. You have this one for flat surface, again, for the shower, for example, or the kitchen countertop, or the floor, or something like that. And then you have all these ones, which are going to be, this is the one that you're going to put, and then you're going to use this ones, for example. This is kind of like for polishing. You have this ones for more in kind of like taking care of delicate things. You have this one for kind of like sanding, and you have this one for glass or metal. I mean, every single one of this one is actually great. Let's actually check out this one. I'm gonna actually show you something before switching to handheld. Check this out. I'm doing long press, and this one, it's already working, and it has 2 modes. This one and the max mode. So this is kind of like the echo mode, and this is gonna be the max mode. And the more pressure you put, the better this one is gonna work. Let's switch to handheld now. Okay, so take a look at this one. Same thing, long press, it's gonna start working out. And then you have the echo, or the kind of like the fast mode. It also tells you the battery. And now what we're gonna do, under the water, take a look at this one. It is so nice. It feels so good just to work like this, because it is minimum effort, I have to say that. There is not too much effort that you need to do when working out on this one. I like it. Again, this one will be good for the shower, the kitchen thing, the floor, tile, wooden floor, anything. Even the tires, even the rims on your car. I love it. And once you're done, since this one is waterproof, the only thing you will have to do is just rinse it, and you're all set. I love it. I think this thing is fantastic, and it needs to be in every single household.